How about can you speak a little bit on melatonin's role in mitochondria or no?
Yeah, so melatonin, most people think of melatonin as just the sleep hormone that your body releases in order to get you sleepy. But it's actually a lot more important than that. So, 95% of melatonin in the body is made not is made during the day, and is not just made in the brain. It's made in the mitochondria throughout the body. So every mitochondria in your body is making melatonin. And this melatonin is also a very powerful antioxidant agent, and it has anti-cancer properties, helps with cell reproduction and cell growth. So melatonin is very important. You generate melatonin through sun exposure during the day. This is the ultimate way to do it. And you know, ask anyone who goes to the beach. You feel a lot sleepier at night if you spent the entire day at the beach. And the reason is the sun, your body uses it to generate melatonin the entire day, and by night you have this huge load of melatonin that helps you sleep. And the more melatonin that you've made during the day, the more it can act as an antioxidant and help cleanse the body while you're sleeping. A very important thing about this too is if you are exposed to artificial light at night after sunset, blue light, it destroys that melatonin that your body was making the entire day. And so that's why there's a lot of people that, feel sleepy, and then the sun goes down, the artificial lights go up, and you no longer feel sleepy. You get this burst of energy at 10 p.m. or 9 p.m., whenever the fake lights come out. And that's because the artificial blue light suppresses melatonin and increases cortisol levels.
Yeah. Through POMC, correct?
Mhm, mhm.
Can you talk about that process a little bit?
Yeah, so POMC is a gene in your brain, and it is controlled by the light that you see, and it acts to break down several molecules to generate the most important neurotransmitters that we need, including dopamine, melatonin, norepinephrine, epinephrine. The switchboard to generate these hormones, which modern medicine says nothing about this, is light. So the light that you see is controls the hormones that you release. And this entire process, everything in your body, including the generation of testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, all the important hormones in the body, that process is controlled by light. Because the genius of the human body, it realizes that this is the metronome of the body. Uh, you know, you base everything according to it. There's a certain time where you're more likely going to need to be active. There's more times that you need to be more likely you're going to be sexually active. All these things are timed by light. The problem arises is when we've hijacked the system through exposure to artificial light. You're just under artificial light all the day, that the system doesn't know how to function, and that's when malfunctions happen.
Timing. Cortisol. People think about cortisol as a stress response or stress hormone, but it's more a vehicle to distribute energy molecules across the body.
Yes, 100%. I mean, you need cortisol for all sorts of functions in the body, and it's the timing of it, the peaks of it, that matters. And it's not just, it has important functions throughout the day.
Yeah, it's anti-correlated with melatonin.